Mayong gabi na sa tanan na. Mahimo ako sang ano, sang
The last one's for you.
sang ano gani ni. Sang Raylan, what I'm gonna make?
Sushi.
Sushi. Oh my goodness. Take kita mo na. Pag ulang takabot ka rin sobrang. See? Amo na yung mga itsura nga, you know, wala niya filter, yeah. Gaputi lang na iya sa kinilis ka. Tinigang. Tinigang ni Jeffrey. Ginaano niya, ginaano gani na. Gina-save niya. Tapos sa gabi, amo nang ginapanghamoy ko. See? Wala na siya filter, oh. Okay man. Gaputi. Anyway, so, may wrapper ako, may kanon, tapos, batangan mo siya sang itlog nga damo-damo. Basta itlog na ya. Manan na.
I'm trying to grab the rice.
Stop it. Basta itlog niya mananam, right? Okay, so, ito na. Tapos, ang himuon ko, butangan ko siya sang cucumber, sa tunga, kag, What are you doing there?
I'm trying to get
And
rice.
then, what I'm gonna do is, like this, see? Like roll, because I don't have the... Wala ako sa dako nga. Nga no kaya wrappers. I just like this. I just like this for now.
Trying to grab the scoop. Let me grab the scoop. Trying to get rice.
What are you doing?
I'm not trying to
Anyway, so it's like this, and then I have some. Hey, I have some. What's this? Wasabi, but you know I will try that later. And the ginger. Anyway, I will try like this. So it's really good. See, it's cheap, you know, homemade. Anyway, try. Mmm. It's good. Really good. Better than the restaurant, you know. But I will eat this. That's the ginger. It's good. Mas manamit good. Okay, you guys try it. It's very easy. Bye.